Hello everyone and welcome to Red Parrot Quiz. Can you guess the animal by the emoji? In today's video, we've prepared 37 questions, and do you have 10 seconds to find the answer for each correct answer? Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and now let's start with an easy. First one. It's a hamster. Which animal do you believe this is? It's a polar bear. I just know you can find the odd one out. Here is correct answer. Can you guess which animal this is? It's a deer. What about this one? Yeah, it's a monkey. Can you find the odd key out? Here is correct answer. Do you have any ideas? Fantastic! It's a wolf. Let's guess the animal by its scrambled name, and you have to leave your answer in the comment section. What about this? You are so brilliant. The answer is an anteater. What is this animal? You got it right. This animal is a squirrel. What is this anima called? Great, it's a snail. Can you find this emoji? Next one. That's right, it's a rhino. Guess the animal. Bravo, it's a panda. Do you know this animal? Yeah, that's a sea lion. Can you find the odd lion out? Here is correct answer. Do you have any ideas? Yep, it's a bison. What animal is this? No way you got it. It's an earthworm. Can you guess? No doubt that's a golden retriever. Can you find the odd dog out? Here is correct answer. How about this? It's a caterpillar. Let's guess the animal by its scrambled name and leave your answer in the comments. Can you give me the name of this animal? Amazing, it's a jellyfish. Guess the animal. Perfect, it's a butterfly. Can you find the odd fly out? Here is correct answer. Can you guess the animal? It's a donkey. Can you guess this one? Bravo, it's an elephant. Next one. Yes, it's a bulldog. Can you find the odd bull out? Here is correct answer. Do you give me the name of this animal? You got it right, it's a tiger. Can you remember the name of this animal? It's a bat. Okay, time to guess the animal by its scrambled name, and you've got to leave your answer down in the comments. Can you guess this one? Great, that's a catfish. Can you find the odd cat out? What is the name of this animal? You got it. Think you know this animal? It's a peacock. Can you find the odd chef out? Here is correct answer. Thanks for playing with Red Parrot Quiz. Share your score in the comments and tap a video on screen to try more fun challenges. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes and fun.